Hello, everyone. I just wanted to come here and give you a little tutorial on our new holiday Santa, which is perfect to be used for box photography and mini session photography and any kind of photography that you would like. Um, Families, children, portraits, box, anything that's JPEG or can be used in Photoshop will work. You can even put blank colors in there and that would work. So this is a holiday cheer card. It is sized at a print size of a 5x7, which is perfect for a holiday card. However, if you look, you'll see that the image size is actually 10x14, so you could blow it up a little bit. And if you would actually like to make this more a poster size, you could increase the size by going to image size, and you can increase the size here by width and height, keeping it in the same aspect ratio before you put your images in. And the quality, as long as you go not too large, the quality will probably be fine to go a little bit larger. So I want to show you how this works. So when you unpack this and you open it up, you're going to see here it says Holiday Cheer. That is your text layer. It is not editable, but you can shut it off and then type in anything you want. Up here, you can also turn it on. You can press Command T and you can move it around. You can make it smaller or larger, whatever you like. So it is not fully editable, but it is partly editable. You have Santa here. Santa, there's a watercolor layer that's under Santa. Santa's here. Watercolor layer here. Turn it on and off, and you can have just a white background if you like. And of course, that means that you could always put any color background that you would like in there. If you'd like a black background, you can change the white background to black or just add another layer here. So you have two sets of clipping masks. Squares are perfect for your boxes. But of course, any photo will do. And let me show you how to do this very quickly, which is a nice little tutorial and reminder on how to use a clipping mask. So if you open up the folder, and guys, if you are using Elements, Photoshop Elements, and you cannot use folders, let me know and I will unpack the folders for you and send it to you in an Photoshop Elements file. It's not a problem. But if you're using any other form of Photoshop, you'll have files like this. I just find them to be a little more organized for me. So you have here double square clipping masks. If you click that off, underneath it, you just have a single clipping mask, which you see you can turn on and off. Okay. Oh, and you also have a chalkboard, which is kind of like a little bonus. You can just write things on the chalkboard if you would rather. And don't forget, you don't have to use the clipping masks. You can put your photos anywhere you like, anywhere you like. There's no limit to your imagination. So I'm going to open up the double clipping mask. I'm going to click on left clicking mask, and you'll see that if I go to my move tool and I have my show transformation control, you'll see that the left clipping mask is right here. I'm going to go to File, Place Embedded, and I'm going to find myself a photo to fill in there. I'm going to find a box photo, something that I already have that now, of course, this is much too large, so I'm just going to size it down to what I think might be appropriate. Size it down a little bit more. Kind of layer it right on top of my clipping mask, and I'm going to right click on that photo, create clipping mask, and it clips it right inside. Okay, so you have a nice little box here. If you would like to turn the boxes, you can. I mean, you can really do anything you want. The objective here is when you are inserting a photo into a clipping mask, you should click on the clipping mask first. Then File, Place Embedded. Find your photo. Now let me just show you. You don't have to use a box photo. You can use anything you want. Maybe just this photo. So I have a cute picture here of a baby. I'm going to right click on the photo now, create clipping mask, and now the baby is inside this box, and I can grab the baby and move the baby around or resize the baby however I like. My transformation tools, I'm on my move tool. transformation tools have been checked off here, so they are automatically um, they're automatically showing, which makes it much easier to grab. So you can fill your box up like this. You can also, take your clipping mask if you want, Command T, you could turn it, you could do whatever you really, Command D, you could do whatever you like with it. Actually, if you already have it filled, you're gonna wanna hold the image and then the clipping mask together, and Command T, you could turn your clipping mask that away, that away. You can do anything you like. You can make it smaller and larger. It's really up to you. You can add more clipping masks, which are really just boxes of any color that you're clipping one thing onto another. You can layer them up. Have fun with it. You can add your own text to it by going to a text layer and saying, love. Wait, that's not going to be easy to see. I'm going to change the color. All right, you could add text layers to it. Basically, that's it. So if you want to use that double clipping mask the way it was intended, go for it. I'm going to turn it off, and you'll see there's a single clipping mask right here. I'm going to open up the folder, click on clipping mask, file, place embedded, find a nice picture. This is a great one for a family. This is, with COVID or even times after COVID, hopefully there will be many, many times after COVID is over, where you might not want to have a Santa session, or you might want to have a nice holiday card with Santa, but you might not want to have a real Santa in your studio. This is a great way something to offer your clients as an upsell, or even for your own family. Take the beautiful family photographs and then pop it into one of these templates, and voila, you have a beautiful holiday card. Create clipping mask, and Command T. You can just sort of move it around. You can stretch it out, whatever you like. It's a great keepsake for the families. It's a great way to upsell some holiday cards. And then, of course, in the sample, you had seen that I had written maybe love. You can add your own greetings and salutations to this card. And that's really it. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for coming. Bye.